Imagine a place so vast that it employs around 6,000 folks. That's right, the bustling Ramoji Film City is like a small city of its own, filled with people who keep the magic of filmmaking alive. It's like a college campus, but instead of cramming for finals, everyone here is busy crafting epic movie scenes. Who knew you could get a degree in cinematic chaos? Now, let me take you on a little journey through time and space. Picture this: barren land turned into a flourishing film studio, all thanks to the visionary Ramoji Rao. It's like watching sustainability is like the cherry on top of this cinematic cake. Who knew saving the world could be so glamorous? Hold on to your popcorn, because Ramoji Film City is packing over 500 unique setups. That's right, it's a treasure trove where filmmakers can recreate iconic Indian locations faster than you can say, lights, camera, action. This versatility makes it the go-to place for filmmakers of every genre. So whether you're making a tearjerker or a comedy, there's a perfect backdrop waiting for you. But wait, there's more. Ramoji Film City has setups that range from hospitals to jails and even railway stations. It's like a theme park for filmmakers. This means the creative juices can flow like a fountain of ideas, allowing multiple films to shoot at once. Talk about collaboration. Just don't ask to share the last slice of pizza on set. Transitioning to another world is as easy as changing a light bulb here. The film city boasts specialized streets that can mimic everything from romantic sunsets to lively university campuses. It's like those Instagram filters, but for real life. Just a flick of a switch can turn a cozy cafe into a bustling market. Magic at its finest. Speaking of magic, the set designers at Ramoji Film City are like the wizards of cinema. These folks possess the skills to create diverse environments that speak multiple languages. This means you can seamlessly transition from a street market in Mumbai to a quiet village in Punjab without breaking a sweat. Just don't forget your passport. Now let's talk about the prop-making area, Maya, where over 500 artisans whip up more than 10,000 items. That's right, that's a lot of fake swords and whimsical hats. They ensure that every detail is so meticulously crafted, you'll be wondering if you've accidentally walked into Narnia every time you turn around on set. And if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear about the expansive gardens. They're used to shoot those iconic movie songs that make you want to break into a dance. Even if you're not the best dancer, try the leg garden, the largest of them all, the true star of the floral world. Let's not forget about where the cast and crew rest their weary heads after a grueling day of filming. Ramoji Film City offers accommodations that range from downright luxurious to those dormitory-style digs reminiscent of college life, where sharing a bathroom is just part of the experience. It's all about that comfort game, ensuring everyone can recharge for another day in the spotlight. And there's more to explore. The Film City is like a one-stop shop for entertainment. It features restaurants, wellness centers, and attractions that cater to visitors of all ages. So whether you're a film buff or just looking for a fun day out, it's got something to tickle everyone's fancy. Just don't blame me if you leave with a food baby. Let's take a moment to appreciate the cutting-edge filmmaking technologies at play here, shall we? Imagine motion capture suits that help filmmakers create breathtaking visual effects. Think Avatar-level stunning. It's like being in the Matrix, minus the dodging bullets, unless you count dodging responsibilities at college. So, Ramoji Film City isn't just a filming location, it's a celebration of the film industry itself. It reflects India's deep-rooted love for cinema, pumping out over 2,000 films annually. That's more films than most of us can watch in a lifetime. So grab your popcorn and get comfy. It's going to be a wild ride.